Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make sweet butter chicken. If you like your Korma and Tikka Masala dishes, this is definitely for you. A mild, sweet curry with coconut, almonds, sugar, butter and cream. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. As always, a full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. To begin, heat a pan on medium and add the oil, finely diced onion and salt. Stir through frequently and allow to soften for a few minutes and start to go light brown. Add the garlic and ginger paste as well as the tomato puree. Stir through thoroughly, allow them to cook out for a minute to reduce the bitterness. Turn up the heat, add in half the heated base. Stir through and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes. Sprinkle over the coconut milk powder, ground almonds and the sugar, stirring in well. If you get any lumps of coconut powder, don't worry, they'll soon dissolve. Add the rest of the base and then the chicken. Stir gently to coat and stop it drying out. After a couple of minutes, lower the heat, add the cream, retaining a little for decoration, and the butter. Heat slightly for a minute to allow the butter to melt before incorporating. Allow to simmer until the meat is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.